Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video I'm going to talk about data science certifications. I think this video will create some impact upon you regarding machine learning certifications. So recently I came across with many education websites. They are pushing towards machine learning and data science certifications. First I want to ask you some questions regarding these high paid certifications. So just comment it down. What do you think about these high paid machine learning certifications? Do you think it is really worth for you to get a job in data science? Just head over to the comment section and write your comments about this recent trend among the students. So you may have seen so many ads which is related to data science and machine learning certifications in 2021 and 2022, which are operated by popular edtech companies. I saw so many ads on my newsfeed regarding data science bootcamps and internships and certifications. So after passing so many ads in my newsfeed, my feeling is not good by seeing these ads. So personally I have one mindset. If somebody sets some price for education contents, I will do a lot of research about those courses. And if it is really worth, then only I will pay for that course. But if somebody pushes to buy some courses with advertising systems, I won't consider that course. It is not a good approach according to me. And if you are following the data science and machine learning creators over in YouTube, they are really creating so many valuable contents. And if you want to cover basics and intermediate concepts in data science and machine learning, then YouTube is the top source for me to gain those knowledge from awesome creators. Other than YouTube, there are some edtech companies out there. They are fixing high price for simple basic certifications on data science. And still some people mindset is like, if I paid and attend those courses, then I will become a super worthy and job guaranteed guy with the help of those certifications. And that certifications make me feel superior among my competitors. And if you are having that mindset in 2022, and please get out of that zone quickly, it is not good to fall into that comfort zone of having data science certifications as an advantage. That kind of trend is over now. Now the recruiting trend is changed very much. Some people who had 10 or 15 certifications in data science are still not able to crack the data science interviews. It is because of lack of problem solving and less mathematical knowledge. If you took any data science and machine learning courses, the most of the content expected would be on mathematics and statistical basic understandings. But they are not handling these core concepts. Apart from these concepts, they are straightly teaching the scikit-learn and TensorFlow. They completely ignored the mathematics which are related to these libraries. I strongly had a belief, without mathematics, these knowledges are not worth to operate on machine learning problems and libraries. After completing those kind of certifications, if recruiter asks you about mathematics behind the entropy, then you can't able to answer those questions if you are not studied well about the mathematics. You cannot give the proper explanations. In that particular time, you can't say like, I know how to write a code for entropy. The coding part is always available in the documentations. It is very simple in Python. Just we need to import those classes over from the libraries. So they don't expect you from that kind of things. You don't need to learn the code, particularly in data science. And if you understand the things behind the code, then only you will become a good data science developer. So I'm following this statement very strongly. I have the experiences like this before in my initial interview days. I'm strongly suggest you to go through the mathematics. And coding is also important, but it is only 20%. The remaining things are, you have to be very strong in basic math implementations and understandings of domain skills. So I want to share this message to the people who are running behind the data science certifications. You are following a wrong approach to get a data science job. I suggest you to solve the problems related to data science. I'm sure that solving real world problems are the best way to learn the data science. You cannot skip the problem solving part in any computer science domain. It is not a good thing, and if you are planning to enter into data science, I'm suggesting you to choose the best course by analyzing throughout the internet. But my opinion is, you don't need to pay for the education. It is not a good way of buying education from companies, but edtech domain are the best profitable domain in this era. There are a lot of competitions going on in edtech domains. That's why they are pushing the advertisements more and targeting more students towards to buy their courses. So I want you to not focus on those kind of certifications, rather than focus on open source contents which are provided by some awesome machine learning sites that are Machine Learning Mastery, Analytics Vidya, towards data science. These are the good sites which are providing the machine learning contents for free, so you can consume those contents. So I personally follow this kind of sites. That's why I mentioned these sites. Most of the time, if I had any doubts in concepts, I always refer these sites for clean and cut answers. And one more thing, more than the certifications, you can do Kaggle problems. It's a top-notch free platform for problem solving in data science. And if you solve more problems in that Kaggle, you will receive some perks. That perks are very valuable to showcase your skills in interviews. Definitely the recruiter will attract towards those kind of perks. Okay, so that's all about this video. I'm not targeting any particular edtech domains. My opinion is, instead of paying more money on certifications, try to showcase your skills in problem solving. It is a very good approach in 2022 to get a data science job. And if you still believe the certifications are worth, then you will fall under the trap of data science advertisement courses which are done by some companies. So wake up from these things, focus on problem solving. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.